Hi po! Tayo ay naka-ready because we're gonna have dinner. Say hello people. Say hello people. Is that so funny? Hello people na.
Hello people.
Hello. Where are you going?
You're doing pew pew bum bum.
Buko bam-bam ka na naman. Tanan! Ay, naku. Tanan na lang, Mia. Pupu bam-bam. Anyway, guys. Gabi na. I just decided to start the vlog. So, my sister-in-law asked me if I want to watch Happy for You. Kasi showing siya dito sa Australia.
Go stay with me.
Aww.
Don't go stay with me because I have a beautiful necklace for you. I'll share it.
You get a necklace and you'll share it?
I'll keep it in here.
Aww.
I'll keep it in here.
Where is Mia going? Well, mommy is in the movie.
Mommy and Dad went out to your mommy's house.
To my mommy's house. And to my daddy's house? Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a good girl there?
I want lollipop.
Lollipop ka na naman. You're gonna have dinner there, baby. So we have to go now actually because they're waiting for us. Basta pa namin 6:30. Nandun na ako. Kasi magdi-dinner pa kami sa city, guys. And,
Mommy, let's go.
let's go. Go get socks first. Where's your socks? So, dadalhin natin yung cookies. Ayan. 4 na lang natira, guys. Bongga. And then, dadalhin natin yung water ni Mia. So, yun lang naman. Ayan. So, late yung movie. Kasi yung choices, parang 2 oras lang sa umaga at saka gabi. So, yung movie will start at 9:30 ata, guys. So, late na siya matatapos. Si V wala dito. Hindi ko maiwan si Mia kay V. Kasi may laro sila, guys. May game talaga sila today. So, medyo nag-okay na yung pakiramdam ni Daddy. He's been, my God, sick na naman. Sa hay fever niya, guys. So, ayan. Dali natin to. And yung pa-outfit natin today is this. Laki na ng tiyan ko, guys. Parang bigla siyang lumaki. Ayan. So, this belly is 20 weeks. And 1 day. Yeah. 20 weeks ako kahapon. Yan. So, we will have our 20 weeks ultrasound sa Tuesday. So, yeah. Today is Saturday. Saturday tayo ngayon. So, and then I've got this, jacket. Yan. Manipis lang to, pero windproof kasi siya. Hindi ko na alam saan ko nabili to. One of the live selling before. Yes. Wait lang, baby. I'm fixing my, parang trench coat siya. Yan, oh. Meron siyang pa ganyan. Yung aking dress, nakasale ko sa Target. So, yeah. Ang ganda. Sa youth siya na section. Puro, Yes? Why are you wearing that? No, you don't need. You're gonna wear Crocs only. But you need socks. Yeah, you can only wear that with dress. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo. Sino nagbigay sa'yo niyan? Do you remember who gave it to you? I think that's from Tita Tin, yeah. You don't need to wear this. You only wear this when you wear your, your pretty dress. This way, this way. Because it's hard to lock this one, oh. You need someone to help you to lock that one. I'll try to put your feet. Then my bracelet, my, tawag dito, my necklace. Pinalagay talaga niya yan, guys. Parang saan pupunta? Nakapajama lang naman. I'm not gonna close it really tight. So you can easily take it off. Just like that, okay? Yeah? Because you're gonna take off at Mamila anyway. Yeah? Is it tight? Yeah? Okay. Oh.
Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster.
Alright, let's go.
Cookie
Ay.
Cookie Monster! Where are you hiding?
Oh, Cookie Monster. Oh, Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster, behind you. Behind you.
You wanna bring your, this one, baby? Mia.
Baby! I got Valentine's. Yay! This is so much fun. Look at this again. I need to go.
Oh, you said you wanted to play with Daddy.
Yeah. You told me on
I didn't want
Thursday.
it to come.
Go inside first. Take off inside. Take off inside.
It did it because I walked.
Diba? Ang bilis niya take off.
Because the ground is dirty.
Tanaw din niya sandal, bongga, kung di siya makadto. Where's the Dilo? Where's Mamila? Ano to? Ginuba niya na. Ablas na Mamila. Where's the Dilo?
What's Tito John John?
Where's the Dilo? Tito John John over there. In the room. Knock knock. Oh? Tito John John.
Wow.
This is... You wanna share them your cookies? Huh? Wanna share them your cookies? Wanna share them your cookies?
No, only after dinner.
Only after dinner. Mia cook the... Mia bake the cookie with mommy. I forgot to bring stuff.
Ako yung spring roll.
Nakagdako-dako. Dito na tayo. Kain muna tayo ng dinner. Kilig kaya busog na busog kuya. Nagkaon ko tinapay. Hello, who's ready to eat and to cry? Kain muna kami and then watch kami ng Unhappy for You. Di ba, babe? Tadan! Little Bangkok. Dito tayo kakain, guys. Daming kumakain. Parang wala tayong table. Nakaupo na pala kami, guys. Ang bilis lang makakuha ng table. So, spring roll, tom yum soup, fried rice, mango. Meron ba tayong isda? The barramundi with tamarind sauce. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ang dami silang in order. And that's the barramundi fish. Sarap yan, guys, with tamarind sauce. Ayan na yung soft shell crab, papaya salad, tsaka the Angus beef. Yan. Kain tayo. Ang laki-laki. Ayan na, fillet na nila. Kuha-kuha ka na lang. Bago-fry. Manami ba ng garlic? Hindi, meron na sila sa dinner ko ito ba? May nami ba ng garlic? Bili na namin ako sa tamarind. Pero pa, pagitot. Tamarind. Tamarind sauce. Diba ba? natira pang isda. Pero konti na lang guys, kasi buto-buto na yung iba. But we will take away it. Kasi may natira pa sauce. The sauce is really good. Masarap yung barramundi nila kasi. And then yung papaya salad, we will take away as well para kina mama. Ayan, pwede pa yan makain. May sauce pa. I'm really full. I'm so full. Dito na tayo. Toilet pa ta. Ay, 12 minutes, oh. 12 minutes. Toilet na muna. Toilet tayo. Wala, ang scary naman yan. Hintay lang kami dito guys sa labas. Nag-toilet pa ang girls. Kakatapos ko lang ba yung toilet. So, dyan kami. Cinema 9. Ay, di kita. Yan, 9:30 na. Yung show will start at 9:20 na. 9:20 guys. Tapos may mga baon kaming food. Nag-order kami sa pretzel. Tsaka si Ate Pearl nag-ano siya. Nag-microwave ng popcorn. So, dito yung mga popcorn namin. 3 popcorn to guys. Diba? Nakatipid. Ano lang yung popcorn sa tawag dito? Sa Coles. Dito na sila.
Ayun mo, balik lang uwi.
See you. They're here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. G kita, BG. Yeah, ba't sa kilid? What time na? 9:14. Let's go. Di pa naman nagsa-start. Where's the G? Yes, G. Liza. Kaya ka mo sa kilid. Dito ka sa kilid.
14, no?
Yeah. Tapat lang tayo. Di pa nag-start. They're here. Hello. Hello. Na sila. Ready lang dyan. Ready. Baka may dadaan pa dyan mamaya. Thank you very much. Pang ano ko to mamaya. Mag-ready na ako. Pang pahid ng luha. Sarap.
Dali pa makabala magpangis.
Ready ka na dyan, release mo tissue.
Thank you.
Char.
Muna na to. Maglantaw sa ano. Sa
Diba? Ready kami na. Anong tara mo nilagay? Oh, sige na. Mommy's on the way home na. Mommy will just drop. Where are you? Where's Mia? Okay, bye-bye, Mia. See you soon.
medicine carrot, Mommy. It's a big medicine carrot.
Oh, you made a medicine carrot?
Bukas mo nila nga ano? Medicine carrot.
Okay.
Outside. Well, you be stronger.
Okay.
Sige na.
Okay, bye-bye.
Try din na to.
Bye-bye. Oh, what? Bye-bye na?
No, I said hi.
Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, why are you taking a picture? Why are you taking a picture?
Hi.
Hi. Mommy already finished watching movie.
Then yes, play popcorn.
Did you
Play popcorn.
Did you play with Mamila and Daddy Lo?
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you soon. Pinatay niya man. Dito na kami. We're just dropping something for my brother. Where's my brother? Hello. Say hi to my vlog. Bye-bye.
Nagtanaw kami sang ano, kay Julia, kay ano.
You guys like it?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, you already watched it.
Yeah, I watched it.
Okay.
Where's Lily? Right. Ah,
Man, man.
yeah. Nagkway-kway si Bibi yun.
Wala ka. Nagluha-luha lang. Bibi cried.
Yeah.
Crying, Kobe.
A bit. Not really cried, just like this. Just out of the She said she can relate to.
Ah, wow.
What is fast? Okay.
Ay, nakamove on ka naman din.
She's hiding. Where is Mia? I know she's hiding. Hello, you miss mommy. Did you eat your cookies? You're so what? So cold, your feet.
Because you're not wearing socks. Where's your socks? Hug me, Tita Pretty. You haven't hugged me since.
Are you waiting? You're watching Power Rangers again? You finished all that episodes.
You didn't hug Tita Pretty since you came here. Where's my hug? Hug.
Wala man.
Hug nanay, hug nanay.
So cold. Where's your sandal? Ito ganyan sandal. Oh, your baby. Hello people. We are home. Umaga na guys. But we just got home. Mga 11 something na kasi na. Tapos yung tawag dito, the movie. Kasi nga 9:30 na nag-start. Or more than that kasi may ads pa. But mayroon tayong dala. This is mga damit na nabili ng sister-in-law ko. $1 only guys. $1 lang. Naka-sale ang bongga. O diba? Diba last time nagpunta tayo ng Target. Tapos naka-sale din diba? Pero hindi $1. But this one is only $1. Shook. So, eto, tingnan nyo. 3 to 6 months nga lang siya. But, this is perfect for baby boy. Pag nag 3 months na siya kasi, ano na, malamig na that time. And, yeah, very nice quality. Fleece sa loob. Can you see the $1? So, lahat ng kinuha niya is 3 to 6 months, which is perfect. And yung binili ko din sa Target last time, 3 to 6 months. O, diba? That's only $1, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute. And, tingnan nyo. Ang cute. Ang gaganda. Sabi nga niya, daming bumibili doon last time na nandun siya. And, naubusan daw siya. And this one, $1 also. Lahat talaga, guys. $1. So, yeah. Ang cute. O, diba? May paa. So, yeah. Pa-zip siya. Dinosaur din. O, diba? Bakit ako, pag pupunta ako ng Kmart, walang mga $1. Siya lagi niya nasiswertehan na merong mga $1 talaga. So, ito $12. Naging $1 na lang. Kalain nyo yun. Ang cute din. Pantulog. Diba? Oh my gosh. So, yun. Diba nakapag-haul tayo? Ng ganitong oras. So, yung movie, guys, hindi ako umiyak. Hindi expect ako na iiyak ako kasi nga nakikita ko yung mga trailer, tapos mga short clips sa Facebook. And
habang pinapanood ko siya sa phone, na parang titiri-eye na ako dun sa mga short clips na yun. Pero pagdating ko dun, siguro kasi expected ko na kung ano yung mangyayari. And syempre nakita ko na yung clip. And wala, hindi tumululuha ko at all. But, yeah, yung sister ko, umiiyak siya. Sabi niya, konti lang naman daw. But yeah, nakikita ko siya, gumagano'n siya ng tissue. Ako nakaready na talaga yung tissue ko kasi sabi ko baka iyak ako. Hindi ako naiyak guys. Kasi yun nga, siguro kasi alam ko na yung mangyayari sa part na yun. Yung mga, siguro yung mga nakita kong scene kasi, yun yung parang, yung crying scene nila, yung parang super dramatic. So, yeah, nalabas ko na yung emosyon. And hindi ako naiyak at all. But yeah, si Mia nandito pa sa baba and matutulog na kami guys. We're gonna go upstairs and get ready to bed. Si bukas Sunday and yeah, Father's Day pala bukas. Mag-vlog ba ako? I'm not sure, we will see. So technically, Father's Day na pala ngayon kasi umaga na. 12:30 na guys. So si na mama pagdating namin gising pa din kasi binabantayan nga nila si Mia. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching this vlog. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So, yeah. And enjoy your celebration later. Kasi September 1 na tayo. But yeah, happy September na din. So yeah, ang bilis ng panahon. September na tayo. My gosh. I hope to see you guys in our next vlog. Bye! Mia, you wanna say bye? Say bye to people.
Bye.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Kiss, blow kisses.